Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to set up Gmail in your iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your mail. You have seen on your screen the mail icon. Just tap on it. When you tap on the mail icon, you can see a new interface of your screen just like this. Here just select Google. When you select Google, a new interface you can see on your screen. Just tap on continue. When you tap on continue again, here a new interface you can see on your screen. Here you can type your email address. When you type your email address, then press next, then tap on next. When you tap on next, you should type your password and then hit on next button. When you hit on next button, you can see there is a at the top of the screen you can see a option of save. Just save it. Here you can see your email, your Gmail ID has been logged in your iPhone. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.